go to Mars, the atmosphere isn't breathable. It's got oxygen in it, but it's got carbon dioxide, two of the gases that are in our atmosphere, but they're not at all in the same proportions, so you can't actually breathe the atmosphere on Mars. In science fiction, we do talk about something called terraforming, which is, could we change the atmosphere of Mars and actually make it breathable like the atmosphere here on the Earth? Scientists have written papers about it, but it's a pretty tough go, and it would take at least hundreds of thousands of years, so that's pretty far off in the future. When our astronauts make it to the surface of Mars, they're going to have to live in a pressurized habitat where we create an atmosphere that is breathable. And when they go outside, they're going to have to take oxygen tanks with them so that they can safely breathe. Now, this is always a challenge because we breathe out carbon dioxide, we breathe in oxygen. And so the more we breathe out carbon dioxide, too much carbon dioxide gets in any enclosed space. In fact, a challenge we have on the International Space Station is actually keeping the carbon dioxide levels low enough so that it doesn't give the astronauts headaches. So this will be a challenge on Mars. It's been a challenge on the International Space Station, but NASA's working hard on it so that when we're ready to get astronauts to Mars in the early 2030s, we're going to have this problem sorted.